be present at his vehicle. So we're gonna open this battery pack because this is very inconsistent. And this is the battery pack that we purchased. And I don't think this is 20,000 milliamps. Just inconsistent. So let's open it and see what's inside. So this is that power bank that had the quick charging feature and it had no brand name on it. But guess what? I was able to open inside and see what the battery looked like. And look at that. It looks like it's double layer or one big fat battery. It looks like one big fat battery. And something's not right. It's very inconsistent when it comes down to like charging and power. So I opened it inside, and as you can see, it just looks like one big fat battery. Do you think that's capable of storing 20,000 milliamps of power? The only information we have is right on the back of this power bank. And as you can see the electrical components. Make sure you guys get a good view on that. But with that said, everyone, this is the update. That other wind love is destroyed. We destroyed that one because that one was already destroyed. But with that said, everyone, check out that sky color. No, there's nothing wrong with my white balance. That is the sky here in New York City, in Long Island City.